BSc Part 2. Very good morning and welcome all of you. Today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver the lecture on the nature and sign of mu-J-T and calculation of inversion temperature as I have mentioned on the blackboard here. Yesterday we were expressing about the definition, terminology, conceptual of Joule-Thomson coefficient and inversion temperature. But today I am going to deliver very interested quantitative relationship between Joule-Thomson coefficient, which is symbolized by mu-J-T, and inversion temperature symbolized by that is of Ti. So the topic I will deliver today of BSc Part 2 in Unit 1, thermodynamics, that is of nature of mu-J-T and its sign and nature, and that is of calculation of that is of Ti. Once again, let us pick from equation number that is of Z here. The mathematical formula yesterday we calculated here. Mu-J-T that is equals to 1 upon Cp twice upon RT minus B. Say that is of Z equation. Once again, listen to me, very interesting topic regarding the nature and sign of mu-J-T and Ti. Inversion temperature we are going to define today. From equation number Z, we have derived this one equation. Now, in various cases, we apply on that is of mu-J-T by means of ARTP. Here, case first, we apply in equation number Z when twice upon RT is greater than B. It is evident from this Z equation, mu-J-T will be is equals to that is of we obtain as that is of positive. I mean to say mu-J-T will be is equals to positive. But RT here present in reciprocal manner here, so that temperature T will show us as that is of negative quantity. Showing of negative means that is of cooling effect will occur here. Once again, dear students, try to understand. Case first, we apply case first when twice upon RT is greater than B. We put down this equation, this wali case, this wali condition in equation number Z. So you know that after substituting the value of twice upon RT, I mean to say, suppose this twice upon RT is greater than that is of B, means mu-J-T passes as that is of positive value. Since temperature T is present here in reciprocal manner, so I mean to say T will passes is that is of negative value. Temperature passes negative value means that is of a cooling effect will occur here. Case that is of second in equation number Z, if twice upon RT is that is of less than that is of B here, automatically mu-J-T will possess that is of negative value and temperature that is of positive, indicating the presence of that is of here that is of heating effect will occur. Once again, listen to me, dear students. Let us apply when twice upon RT less than B, then in equation number that is of Z, mu-J-T will have its negative value, temperature that is of positive value, temperature with that is of positive value due to its reciprocal presence here. I mean to say heating effect will occur here. Let us proceed further these cases one by one. Final and last, that is of case 3, when twice upon RT is equals to that is of B, then mu zt will be is equals to 0. Then in such a case, very specific condition we achieve is here. Now this normal temperature is changing, is replacing by a very specific temperature. This temperature is symbolized by Ti. Once again, when in that is the formula, standard formula, standard equation of Joule-Thomson coefficient, which we have mentioned in equation number Z. When inside of the brackets both the quantity twice A upon RT and B become is equals to, that is equal, in such a position mu zt will be is equals to 0. In this case, T will be converted into that is of specific temperature. This temperature is known as that is of inversion temperature. Twice upon RTI is equals to that is of B here. On simplifying, twice upon RTI minus B is equals to 0, or twice upon RTI is equals to B. Then Ti is equals to that is of twice A upon RB here. It is very standard formula of inversion temperature. I mean to say, now in another way we define that is of mu zt. Mu zt is the coefficient in which neither heating effect nor cooling effect will occur here. Such coefficient is known as that is of Joule-Thomson coefficient here. In another way, the temperature in which neither heating effect nor cooling effect will occur, such temperature is known as that is of inversion of temperature, and is symbolized that is of Ti. Students, this formula you have to remember here. Ti is equals to twice upon RB. It is very important and standard formula for the numerically point of view when various numerical set in the examination. So I would like to attach you to by such a mean here. You should mainly focus about important formula here. You have to remember here, because several numerical set in your physical chemistry BSc part 1, the mathematical formula of inversion of temperature one can write here. Ti is equals to twice upon RB. On the behalf on this, that is of this topic, calculation of mu zt, and this lecture and this topic is now completed here. Now I will start today that is of next topic, that is of its B part, that is of thermochemistry here. That is of thermochemistry here. You have to solve once again the numerical formula Ti is equals to twice upon RD. This topic now completed. Now we start that is of thermochemistry of BSc part 2 as unit 1. Unit 1 is divided into that is of two parts, energy and that is of thermochemistry. A part was that is of energy, or B part was that is of thermochemistry. Students, thermochemistry is the branch of, first of all, I will define here thermochemistry. What does this branch of chemistry say, and its contribution and beneficial in the various field of that is of physical science and its environment here. So thermochemistry, first of all I will define here thermochemistry, that is the branch of the chemistry which is mainly concerned with the releasing, absorbing, evolving of the heat. There are so many reactions. Once again listen to me, there are so many reactions existing in inorganic and that is of organic point of view here. I am mentioning here two types of the reactions here, N2 plus 3ICH2 twice NH3, del H is equals to minus 22.4. Next one, N2 plus O2 twice NO, del H is equals to plus 43. So there are so many reactions in chemical environment in which heats, enthalpy, release, absorbing, such a branch of the physical chemistry which gives us the necessary information about chemical or photochemical reactions is known as that is of thermochemistry. Next, that is of exothermic and endothermic reactions. These exothermic and endothermic reactions are further, that is of two types here, exothermic reactions and that is of endothermic reaction here. Exothermic reactions are those to release, that is of heat, and endothermic reactions are those that is to absorb, that is of heat. Its example we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you very much.